Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a mid-month budget check-in. I'm using one of my printables which are available in my Etsy shop, but I'm just going to kind of walk through this and share with you guys an update regarding our finances for the month of October. So first things first, regarding our to-dos, I did take the trip to Asheville, North Carolina for my friend's 30th. We have not taken the trip home, which is kind of going to be for my goddaughter's birthday. That's at the end of October, so that has not taken place yet. I did purchase my niece her gift, but I haven't gotten my godchild her gift because her birthday is at the end of the month. I did send Octavia her gift. We paid the remainder for the laundry room renovation, and I made my Amazon purchase, which basically was like a couple $100 and was consumed of pretty much like home decor, home stuff. Regarding our to-dos, this is still unchecked. I have not completed the business thing that I've been working on. We have not stayed below our allowance collectively. We have not I think we have finalized our anniversary stuff actually. I think we're going to get pedicures and go out to eat. That's what I think we're going to do for our actual anniversary, which is on like a Tuesday. I changed my hairstyle, so I was going to get my hair blown out, but then I figured it's probably worth just getting another protective style. So I will be getting that, but I have not gotten that thus far. We did not pick up our truck. If you don't know, we have like a pickup truck now, but we haven't picked it up. We did do a date night. It wasn't quite planned. It was kind of impromptu. We pretty much just went out to eat, and then we went to like this little, it's another restaurant, but it had like a little bar area, and we were the only ones there, so it was super, like in that space, obviously. So it was super fun, super fun. It was like last week too. Regarding paydays, my husband has gotten 3. I have gotten 1, and I did get a reimbursement from work. We are still actively working towards hitting our major money goal, and let's go ahead and talk about the budget. So regarding the budget, we have brought in so far $2,653.25. However, we have spent $4,338, and that is because A, we have a cushion in our account, and B, some of the expenses have gone on our credit card, which is what we do every single month, and we pay off our credit card every single month. So regarding our bills/expenses, we have paid our mortgage. Security has not come out yet. Electricity has been paid. Our phone bill has been paid, and this is for me to have unlimited, and my husband has pretty close to unlimited. Like, he doesn't go over his allotted amount. So if he ever did get in the habit of that, we would just boost him back up to unlimited. When he was doing a lot of rideshare and Uber and Lyft and all of that, we did have that at a higher amount at unlimited, but since he's not doing that so heavily, there's no need for him to have unlimited. So case by case scenario, that's the beauty in having prepaid, that we can just change up our plans whenever we feel like it. Cable/internet is not due yet either, and water/internet isn't due either yet, so those have not been paid. Regarding our reckless AF funds, the original amount that we budgeted was $200, so we're over $16.54 with, actually, I bought something really large and I put it in here. So really, I'm actually the reason why we're over budget so far this month. Next, we have donations/gifts. This is for small miscellaneous random giving. We have a wedding shower at work. I had a birthday, 2 birthdays. I did some donating like through super chats. So I take that out of donating, and just some other kind of small donating. It has all come from this category. For toiletries, we have spent $36 even. For beauty, we've spent $70 even, and this original budget, sorry, backing up, was $50. This original budget is $200. I haven't gotten my hair done, but I did make a deposit, so we'll likely not hit that. I don't think, we'll have to see, but it's not really looking like we're gonna hit that amount, that budget, which is $200. For travel, we budgeted $400, and that was enough for me to go to Asheville, North Carolina, and for us to take our trip home. However, my friend is planning her 30th birthday, and so I've made a deposit for that. I paid for my portion of the Airbnb, and also I paid for my flight. So I just went ahead and took that out of travel, which is why we're over budget here. But that's kind of like the nature of the business. Like, you know, everything's not going to go perfectly accordingly every single month. For house, our original budget was $500. We are over. Our original budget, actually, I lied, was not $500. It was, let's see, $350, but we're over because we've had some work done and some stuff like that. So basically, we are over for house. For miscellaneous, we are over there. The original budget was $100. For gas, the original budget is $120, and so we're at $34.16 as of right now. Car insurance isn't due again until December. Health insurance came in as budgeted at $218.61. Life insurances, this is actually for my husband and me. These are not due. We paid them on the same day, but they're not due until later in the month, so they have not been paid yet. And then of course we have not paid for my student loan or my husband's. We are in a position to pay off his student loans at the end of the virus forbearance, which happens to be the end of the year, which is December 31st. We would like to have that paid off by the end of December, and that balance, if you're wondering, is $12,704.48. It's been the same amount for months because once we learned about the forbearance being extended, we took advantage of that, aka decided not to drop the $13,000 to nil net during a pandemic. And obviously everybody's living in a time of uncertainty, so we're still not quite sure, like, you know, what we're all doing with this in the middle of the pandemic and whatever. But you know, I feel like made proper decisions thus far, but we definitely have just hoarded that money as well as other money as well, so as to not, you know, be in a pickle if one of us were to lose our jobs, because we both do work for small companies. So anyway, this is kind of like our overview for the month of October, how we're doing so far. I'm actually feeling really, really good. Oh, I missed one. Also, food/dates. We've spent $604.02 of our $750 budget. $700 budget, sorry, and that is the one that I'm kind of worried about because we don't have, I did place a grocery pickup order for this week, which will mean that we'll have food for this upcoming week. So we'll have 1 week left, and we do spend about $100 on groceries and such each week. So I'm a little worried about that, but I'm not worried about having gone over in the other categories or even going over in other categories, because our business budget, which you don't see on here, the amount that I've been spending on business expenses this month in October has been quite small, which means that I'll be able to pay myself a larger salary from the business, which means that yes, we'll be over technically, but as far as us spending money we don't have, or like, you know, that type of thing, that won't be the case, because I will pay myself a larger salary from the business, which means that that would cover the excess that we've gone over in some of these other categories, if that makes any sense. But yeah, this is it for our October monthly budget as of today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.